What if I told you that in just 2 years, your daily shower will become a full-body wellness experience? That the steam generators of 2026 aren't just about heat, they're about light, sound, and technology we've only seen in sci-fi movies. I've gotten my hands on the top-secret prototypes and pre-release models from the biggest brands. Some of these features, you won't even believe are possible. One of them can literally predict the steam level you want before you even know it. Stay tuned, because the future of bathing is here, and it's incredible. Number 1. Delta Faucet SimpleSteam 6 kW Steam. Delta Lumicoat finishes easily wipe clean without the need for cleaners or chemicals and are designed to resist mineral buildup and hard water stains. Find the ideal SimpleSteam generator size for your shower space in 3 easy steps. Generator can easily fit in a vanity, closet, insulated attic or basement. Enhance your steam installation with generator accessories like auto drains, generator pans and extension cables. Number 2. CGOLDENWALL 10.5 kW Luxury Steam Generator. UICK Steaming and Warming Up. Experience rapid and efficient steaming with our advanced steam shower generator that can deliver constant steam evenly and smoothly within just 3 to 5 minutes. The system features automatic diagnostics that enable segment heating, which significantly reduces energy consumption for a more eco-friendly option. Enjoy stable steaming with minimized temperature fluctuations, ensuring a relaxing and uninterrupted experience. Moreover, you won't be distracted by operational noises, thanks to our innovative design. To assist in selecting the right kW for your specific setup, we provide a simple formula. For ceramic tile and glass, use shower room volume FT superscript 3/35.3 FT superscript 3 asterisk 1.5. For marble, multiply by 2.5, and for acrylic, multiply by 1. Waterproof digital control. Our steam generator comes equipped with a user-friendly waterproof digital control system, allowing you to effortlessly adjust the temperature according to your preferences within a range of 95 to 131 degrees Fahrenheit. The unit includes a stainless steel built-in reinforced water tank, augmented with high-quality components such as a waterproof digital control panel, aromatherapy 360 degrees round steam head, auto drain valve, and an impressive 32 feet cable for flexible installation. This steam shower generator kit ensures you enjoy a fabulous, rejuvenating experience reminiscent of a luxurious steam sauna bath. Number 3. Delta Faucet SimpleSteam 10 kW Steam. The kit includes 3 essential components for steam generation: the SimpleSteam generator, the SimpleSteam square control, and the square steam head. The generator is versatile and comes in several power sizes to suit various needs, available in 4 kW, 6 kW, 7.5 kW, 10 kW, 12 kW, and 15 kW options. This variety allows you to choose the appropriate capacity based on your steam requirements and the scale of your application. The compact design of the generator allows for a flexible installation, making it suitable for installation in various locations, such as a vanity, closet, insulated attic, or basement. This feature is particularly beneficial for those with limited space who want to incorporate steam functionality discreetly. Included with the kit is a 35-foot cable for ease of installation. However, there are alternative length extension cables available for purchase separately if a longer reach is needed. Number 4. CGOLDENWALL 9 kW. Perfect performance. The ideal steam experience is at the forefront with our state-of-the-art steam generators. Designed to deliver a consistent and powerful flow of soft, smooth steam, our innovative dual-tank technology ensures maximum efficiency while significantly reducing any distracting operational noises that can detract from your relaxation or spa experience. This thoughtful engineering makes for an accessible path to create an ultimate steam environment right in your own bathroom, turning everyday routines into extraordinary moments of relaxation and rejuvenation. Intelligent Controller. This advanced steam system features a user-friendly intelligent controller that allows you to easily customize the temperature and operational duration, ranging from a comfortable 95 to a toasty 131 degrees Fahrenheit, in working times from as short as 30 minutes to an extended 12 hours. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, the tanks in our steam generator are designed for durability and aesthetics. Additionally, premium components such as a touchscreen control interface, an aromatherapy steam head to enhance your steam sessions with soothing scents, and robust cabling ensure that you can enjoy high-quality steam for many years without the worry of performance issues. Number 5. SteamSpa Steam System 12 kilowatts. 12 kilowatts steam generator with dual touch control. This advanced steam generator features an innovative dual touch control system that allows users to conveniently set programmable time and temperature memory settings. The digital display provides precise control, ensuring a customizable steam experience tailored to individual preferences. Complete steam package. This comprehensive steam package includes not just a generator but also an array of essential components such as dual touch pads for easy operation, 2 luxurious gold steam heads, an automatic drainage system, a chromolite for ambience, a filtration system, and an installation kit, making it everything you need for an upgraded steam experience. Dual control panels. The design features dual control panels that enable users to adjust steam settings from both inside and outside the shower enclosure. This flexible dual touch pad system offers ultimate convenience, allowing for seamless control even while enjoying the steam. So, after testing all of these, mention your number 1 pick, e.g., FutureSteam AI, is my personal game changer for 2026. If any of these futuristic steam showers caught your eye, I've compiled all the latest information, pre-order links, and prices in the description below. Which one are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. If this sneak peek into the future of home wellness got you excited, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who loves smart home tech, and subscribe so you don't miss our full reviews when these models officially launch. The future is almost here.